If you're struggling to lose weight, you should try this homemade slimming drink that Japanese women consume daily to maintain a slim waist all year round. You could lose up to 14 pounds in 7 days with this natural recipe, so be sure to save the recipe so you don't forget it. Peel an apple and chop it into small pieces. Apples are great for weight loss because they are low in calories, but provide a prolonged feeling of satiety. Peel then a cucumber and chop it into small pieces. Cucumber has a lot of draining, diuretic, and detox properties, which make it an excellent fat burner. The next step is to chop a handful of celery. Celery can increase the rate of fat burning in the body. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon, pour the apple and cucumber pieces into a blender. Add the chopped parsley, lemon juice, and 2 big cups of water. Blend well all the ingredients. Filter the mixture with a sieve to remove the pieces, and voila, your slimming drink is ready. Drink a glass 3 times a day, 20 minutes before each meal, and I guarantee you'll see impressive results in a week. Check my profile to learn more about the best natural remedy for weight loss. Comment, "Thank you" to support my work, and let me know which recipe you'd like to